avocado. Wash. Cut up avocado. Add lime. Food process. Unwrap. Put in fridge to forget about. Pan. Heat. Oil. Cut cod. Bread cod. Place cod into oil. Assembly. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a piece of fish that I definitely didn't break apart. There, that's a big enough piece. Can't do that. Whatever. Forgotten avocado. Throw that on there. We've got some bruschetta that we're going to throw on here. Sour cream. This is going to be very dairy heavy, I guess. Throw in some cheese. Wrap it up. And eat it. Okay, thanks for watching Super Serious Cooking. This week, we made that. We're going to put that in our mouths and hopefully chew. Anyway, catch us next week when we'll do something else. Bye-bye.